Hello and welcome to Cognito. Have you ever wondered how a single file you download magically splits into the right video, audio, and text on your screen? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on the Demultiplexer, the absolute champion of digital traffic control.
Think about it like this. Picture a massive digital superhighway where all the data is zooming along in just one single lane. How does your little packet of data know exactly which exit to take to get to its destination? Well, that's precisely the job of a demultiplexer. It's the ultimate traffic controller for our information age.
So here's the situation. To send information quickly and efficiently, we often bundle it all up into a single stream. This is what we call serial data. But, once it gets to its destination, say your computer, it needs to be unpacked and sorted out into many different streams again. And that's the real challenge. How do you turn that one single stream back into many? So what exactly is a demultiplexer, or Demux for short? It's a clever little digital circuit that takes one single input and intelligently routes it to one of many possible outputs. And here's the real takeaway. It does the exact opposite of a multiplexer, which, if you remember, takes many signals and combines them into one. Just look at this comparison. It makes it so clear. A mux, or multiplexer, takes many inputs and funnels them into one output. A demux does the reverse. It takes that one input and splits it back out into many outputs. They really are the perfect team, a dynamic duo working together.
But how does the Demux know where to send the data? I mean, it's not just random, right? Of course not. There's a secret ingredient at play here, and it's called control signals. These control signals are the brains of the operation. They create a kind of unique address, telling a set of internal switches exactly how to flip to guide the data to the right path. You can think of them like a lightning-fast switchboard operator, connecting every piece of data to the correct extension every single time. Okay, so theory is great and all, but I think the best way to understand this is to see it in action. Let's break down a classic example, the 1-to-4 demultiplexer. A 1-to-4 demux is pretty simple. It's got three main parts: one line for the data to come in, two control signals to do the directing, and four possible output lines for the data to go out. Now, you might be asking, why exactly two control signals for four outputs? Well, it's all about binary. With 2 bits, you can create 4 unique combinations: 00, 01, 10, and 11. Each combination points to one specific output.
Now, this truth table might look a bit intimidating, but it's really just the instruction manual for the demux. Let's look at the second row. See how the control signals are set to 0 and 1? That tells the demux to send the data, which is a 1, straight to output Z1. Now, if you change those signals to 1 and 0, like in the next row, boom, the data instantly gets rerouted to output Z2. It's that simple, and it happens in a flash. So this is all very cool, but where do we actually find these amazing little devices in the real world? Well, the short answer is pretty much everywhere. They are the silent, hardworking components inside the electronics you use every single day. Their versatility is just incredible. In big communication systems, they allow a single source to serve many, many users. Inside your computer's processor, in the Arithmetic Logic Unit, they direct the results of calculations to exactly the right storage spot. And of course, their most classic role is converting that serial data back into parallel form so our devices can actually use it. And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? Both multiplexers and demultiplexers work in synchronization to achieve a particular task. They are a team. One packs the data up and the other unpacks it. You really can't have one without the other. Without this perfect partnership, modern high-speed data transmission just wouldn't be possible. So really, the demultiplexer is our unsung hero. It's the digital traffic controller, the mail sorter, and the switchboard operator all rolled into one tiny, powerful package. It works tirelessly behind the scenes to make sure all of our data gets exactly where it needs to go, safe and sound. Did you enjoy this little deep dive into the world of digital logic? If you did, please hit that like button, share this with a friend who might find it interesting, and of course, subscribe to Cognito for more tech explainers just like this one. And I'll leave you with one final thought to chew on. This whole concept of one-to-many is absolutely everywhere, not just in electronics. Where else in your daily life do you see a single source of something being directed to many different places at once? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.